Hi, my name is Carolyn Hetrick, and I'm the pastor at Christ Lutheran Church in Cunningham, Pennsylvania. Tomorrow I'll be coming to you from Jerry's Fitness Center, where Lisa Hart, who's an ACE certified trainer and instructor at Jerry's, will be joining me as we give you our first little taste of what we're going to be offering during the season of Lent together, a series called Faithfully Fit in 5. This is an opportunity during the time of Lent, beginning this coming Wednesday, to carve out that space that is so hard for us to carve out for ourselves, to spend that time with God, nurturing our relationships with our God, with those around us, and the relationship that we have with ourselves, caring for ourselves as loved children of God. Each time we gather, we will center around a theme, a passage of Scripture, an activity for wellness, and a closing prayer to bless you and send you on your way. One of the things I know is that so many of us are busy. We can barely find time for everything. In fact, often we can't. We encourage you to take up this opportunity to pause, create that space, and allow for the nurturing and restoring of yourself and your relationships. Now, just as you wouldn't run a marathon without a minute's worth of training, we're not asking you to engage in 40 days of some overwhelming task. Rather, we're inviting you to pause, create space, and take small, purposeful, meaningful steps, and reflect on how they are changing your journey and how they are strengthening you. Tomorrow, when we gather at the fitness center, we'll talk a little more about that. Each week, starting Ash Wednesday, Valentine's Day, we'll be posting a video for the week. We look forward to having you walk with us in this journey together. See you soon, and God bless.